How to open PayPal account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can open up a PayPal account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to open up a PayPal account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the PayPal application here. Then you can see login or sign up. So all you have to do is you can instead tap that sign up button here, and once you tap on the sign up option, you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter your email address that you'd like to use for your PayPal account. Then tap the next option. It will ask you to enter your phone number, so make sure to enter your legal phone number over here. By the way, once you enter your legal phone number, you can just tap the next option, and then it will ask you to verify a captcha. So if it asks you to, go ahead and do this, otherwise it will send a verification code directly to your device. And once you actually go ahead and enter the verification code over there, you can tap on verify. Then once you enter the OTP code, it will send you basically a password button, so you can simply create a new password. Once you create a new password, your account in PayPal will get successfully created. This way you can basically create an account on PayPal. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.